So here we have a Venom for Spider-Man, Miles Morales. So we have like a giant techno suit, which I don't understand why Venom needs it, but hey, looks cool, right? So I had to get it. I do like the long web I'm seeing here. So this should be fun. Then we got a different version costume of Miles Morales in there too. So of course you got Venom. So this is Lego 76276. Let's get it open. We'll have better luck this time cracking it. All right. Nothing else in there. Check. Instructions. All right. That's a thicker book. So this guy supposedly has like 134 parts. So that should be fun, right? All right. Oh, there's the web. So we're not building the web. That's cool. All right. Let's save some time. So we are going to go ahead and cut these guys open. Go one and two. These are the smaller parts here. So nice. I probably should keep them separate, but I'm just keeping them the same. There we go. Just gonna shove it all over here so I can work over here. All right. So first thing we're gonna be doing after we unload, we have to build our hero. So I got his hood here. Oh yeah, this is a tight fit. I got everything just kind of scattered everywhere. So, all right. So, his pants. There's that. Now we need his head. Put Venom's head on here instead. All right. Nope. Venom stuff. Well, it sucks about having all these black pieces because it's kind of hard to find other pieces. Oh, what's this? There you go. There's a little mask. All right, put that on. Check. That, and there's this hoodie. I do like the little hoodie thing. The first time I ever seen a Spider-Man with the hoodie was actually Scarlet Spider, Ben Reilly's, and it was a nice little comic book run. So, all right. So, also in the picture, it shows one of those little web guys right here. Put that guy on there too. Boom. Put it on backwards here. All right. So there's two of these. Some are floating in there, but we're only going to use one. There we go. There's Miles Morales. All right, let's over here. You can watch. All right. Next up is Venom. Yeah, now we're talking. All right, so I got Venom's head, his chest. Pop that on there. Nice, nice. All right, now find his legs right here. All right, boom. There's Venom. That looks cool. I like that. I do wish his like tongue was hanging out or something. That'd be kind of cool. A nice little effect. All right, stick him over there. Venom is actually one of my favorite Marvel characters in the Spider-Man world, so it's nice to actually get some Venom kind of stuff. So, all right, now we start building. So I need this weird looking piece, which is this guy. All right. Now I need, let's see here. Probably should spread it out a little bit more. Easy to find stuff. All right. So I need, let's see here. I have to find the pieces here. Nope, that's not it. So it's a little gray piece with the hook on the side. My question is, I don't see one. Yeah, all these colors like blend together to me, so it's kind of rough. So yeah, it's this color. And nope. Oh, right here. Look at that. Go figure, right? All right. It's like right in front of the whole time. Look at that. That was step one. All right. Now we need the other side. So there's another side of that. Or some probably, yep, right there. All right, put that guy on there. All right. Now we're looking for a white piece like this. You want that up like that. All right. Now we take a little, looks like a speed ramp or a bumper or something like that. And it's white too, so I should be able to, there it is. Find it, right? Supposed to be able to find it easier, right? Just that, boom. All right, that was step 2 and 3. Now, this. So I'm assuming we're building the mech. All right, here. Boom. Boom, just like that. All right. All right, now we need this guy, right? This guy. This goes in the middle, facing up, like that. All right. Nice. Now I need I need this right here with one of those hooks. Hook, where's the hook? This thing just pops in here. Snap. And this guy goes here. So in the picture, this looks darker, but yeah, works for me. All right. Now I need 2 of these little black ramps. One goes here, there, and another one. There we go. Here. All right. Boom. All right. Now I need these curved looking ones, which are, here's one. Goes here. So I guess this is supposed to be like the chair thing or the contraption he sits in. Guess we'll find out, right? All right. Another little curvy piece. Hello, where are you? I'm not seeing it. All right, let's put this down. Let's do some digging in here. Oh. All right, I'm definitely not seeing it. I guess everything blurs together in here. There it is. There. All right. Not bad. Okay, found it finally. Took me 2 years later, but I got it. All right, now I need this piece here. This guy right here connects down here, going in. All right, boom. All right, there's that. Open, close, open, close. Now we need a piece here that actually goes at the top of this right here. Boom. All right. I need the Venom chest piece. I think it's probably the coolest piece on there. I'll find it. All right. There we go, right here. Cool. And this thing goes like literally right here. That's the coolest piece right there. That is cool. I love that. I just wish they did that in the Venom movies. All right. So now I need one of That's probably because it's gray. According to the pictures, it looks dark gray. So, nope. There you go. One of these. All right. Then I got this guy. Goes here. Back side of it. Boom. Like so. All right. Now I need a white piece here. Goes here. All right. Not bad. Now I need this guy goes in here. All right. That's 13 and 14. So we're slowly skimming through this quick. All right. Now I need 2 of these little white guys. They go on the end. 1 and 2. All right, that. Now I need the double ball joint looking guy. It goes here. All right. All right, I need a weird looking hood piece like that one. It goes on top like that. All right. I need 2 more of those ramps. One here. Ah! All right, I found my piece, so I'm good. Okay, so, all right, and this guy goes here. Just like that. Nice, nice. All right. Now, we're looking for a little, probably one of the pieces I almost lost. This guy goes in here. All right. And then we stick like this. Venom piece. This goes over like this. Yeah, I'm not seeing that. Oh, because I have it upside down. Duh. All right, boom. There we go. There's our chest or a mech. So, all right, move it on. This weird battering looking piece right here. All right, I need a look here, another one here, the other side, right here. Boom. All right. Either building the chest or the legs. So now I need some white pieces again. It goes on the end here. Oh, right here. Boom. There. And the one right here. Just like that. And we got these pieces here go on the end. I got those on backwards. Oh, I got them on backwards. All right. So these actually go down here. So I do that sometimes. I'll see stuff backwards or whatever. All right, that's that. There's that. And this goes here. Right. And this piece has a little hook on it. Goes here. Just like that. All right. We got there. All right. Nice. Now for one side, I need a smooth ramp, and the other side, this side. Did it again. Hold on. So I was overdoing it. So like fast. So this guy doesn't get any white pieces. This side does. All right, boom, like that. And I take the smooth ramp looking guy here. He goes over here. All right. Like that. Check. All right. Now I take those. not that one. Here. One of these goes under the side with a smooth. Like that. All right. Now I take one of these little white pegs. I'm going to stick it in like that. All right. Take one of these black pieces. Goes in the middle. Like that. All right. So that's one of his limbs, I guess. All right. So we built. We want the peg side or this side up, and it goes into his leg like that. Okay, I get the idea. Now we're gonna build another one. So hopefully I can do it right this time, right? All right, one there. Right there. Right, like that. This side with the white on now. White goes forward like this. I want this guy on the back here, like so. All right. Then I take this guy, smooth one, put it right here, like so. All right. Now take this guy. I want him to face in like so. Boom. All right. And then I take. Oh, that's stuck together. There we go. This guy under here. Boom. Like so. Boom. All right. Then take a white peg here, put it here, snap in there. One of those round guys, put on top there. All right, there's that piece. And it goes the same way over here. Boom. This actually doesn't look that big. In the picture, it looks huge. So, yeah, okay. There's that. All right. Now we're going to be doing another add-on looking thing. So I want this piece here and this guy here, right? Stick it on like so. That's like step 38. So we're slowly getting there. Slowly. This guy here. Right? Yeah. Like that. Then we'll flip it upside down. We're going to take those circle pieces, right? Pick that up. All right. This guy, he actually goes here. Weird, but okay. Okay. And I take one of these. So, snap under, right? Under. All right. There's that. Cool. All right. Now I flip it back up. And we want one of these. Goes back here. Snaps there. Then I want a white piece here. Like that. All right. Now I take one of these. Stick that here. And I guess it's all right. Popped it in, so it's like a joint. Okay. All right. And of course, it's telling me I should make two of them. All right. Cool. All right. So let's see if I remember now. All right. One. Where's that piece? I need. Oh, I'm gonna go backtrack real quick. All right. So I need this guy. With this guy. Snaps on here. That. And then a little this guy here, like a foot. It's pretty much like the foot going on here, so cool, cool. All right, so I'm gonna take one of these black pieces here that I can't pick up. Put it into there. Check. He goes here. Check. Not bad. All right. Now put this guy here. Like so. Boom. And white here. Like that. Not bad. Okay. And this guy goes in the front, right? Also, what I didn't do on the other one, so it works out. Get the ball, not that one. White part, gray ball joints. There we go. Here. Okay, so there's some big feet, man. We got to, real quick, touch this one up real quick. That's not it, is it? Nope. Is that feet? Here we go. Right here. Boom. Gotcha. All right. Those are the feet. Those snap on. There were some big feet. I was, making fun of it looking small, but all of a sudden he has these giant mechanical feet now. I'm like, okay, never mind. Wow. Yeah. Wow, that's yeah. So he can actually stand up now. All right. Moving on. Now, got the feet snapped on. I'm gonna use battering looking thing here. And we're gonna do another, let's see. We're gonna go and build 2 of those. So whatever this thing does, we're gonna do that with that one too. All right, so I need 1 each, right? 1 here. Boom. I'm gonna do the opposite on this one. 1 here. Like that. So that's now flip this thing upside down. And we need oh no, not that. Looks like a little backwards ramp. Or no, these pieces. I need these. 1, 2. All right. It's here. Underneath. On here. Like that. Do the same thing on the other one. So I'm going to try to build double like I'm in a warehouse or something. All right, boom. All right. Now I need 2, 3, and 3. All right. Now we're going to take this guy and he's going to go on one end of it. So that's same thing on there. Here. So check. All right. He's going the opposite side. Oops. Here. Like that. The other one. Right here. Yeah, I don't specialize in Legos, guys, but they are kind of fun just to build. So, all right. So, got that going for us. Next up, we need 2 of those. I'm just going to come out of the way a little bit so get a better view over here. All right, so up. He needs to be here. Like that. So this one. Here. All right, boom, boom, boom. Now I need a, it's like a little white piece with a, here. Here, right here, and that. All right, now do the same thing on the other one. Where are my little pieces? There's one. Here. 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 Boom, boom. All right. Getting there. Slowly getting there. Okay. Now I need 1, 2, right? 1, 2 those. Then we're gonna need 1 and 2. All right. So the big piece goes on the hook side, right here, like that. Hook side, right here. Boom. All right. Then this guy goes right here. Nice. And this piece goes here. All right. Straighten it out. Boom. All right. Same thing over here. Boom. And yeah, there we go. So I know I just had it. In here. There we go. That was step 49. But remember, I'm doubling it up too, so. All right. Now, we got this here, like so. I want this strange black piece right here. It goes on the ends, like so. All right. That's same thing over here. Here, here, and this guy here faces N. All right, I got these two little white pegs. Just straight in. 1 and 2. All right, boom, boom. All right. Now I need, looks like almost like a corner piece thing. No, no, that's it. Yeah, it looks, yeah, that's right here. I need that. That, all right. Yeah, same thing. Goes right here on the end. Right. Like that. And here. Get that on there. Boom. All right. That look right? It looks right. All right, cool. Get those on. Now we need to do the other side, which is kind of confusing. I go in like this. All right, so I'm gonna redo these real quick. These actually, all right, I have to go back and look. Boom, boom. So somehow I connect that there. All right, like that, and like that. All right, that's fixed. Do the same thing on this one. Overlook that. Boom. Maybe 1 and 2. All right. All right, fix that. All right, in there, check, check, check. All right, move on. Now we got another looking 1, 2. This goes here. All right. Like that. All right, there and here. All right. Looks good, looks good. Now we have this piece, and this piece actually goes backwards looking. It's okay. Here. All right. There's that. And there's that. And that. Boom. All right. Now I start building claws. So got one here. So I guess pretty much I just make so this might take a minute. One. Right. Well, that's a big claw. All right. So I'm probably gonna be doing like 10 of those. One, two. Wow, it's gonna look trippy. There's some big claws, man. But why would Venom need a machine? I still don't understand that part. It's like why Spider-Man has a motorcycle. I kind of get it if he wants to say web or he's on a street chase or something. But yeah, I don't know. Like I said, they gotta sell toys. All right. All right, so there's only. All right, that works. This is claws, man. Oh wow. Ching. I do like that. All right, now we're gonna do this side real quick. One. So I might have to readjust the claws later, but yeah, for now, I mean, I think I'm doing okay. There's big claws. And they say about people with big claws. Big teeth. Here. 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 That one. I got one more to build. Looks like I have one extra claw over there, so that's okay. That's cool. All right, that. Boom. There we go. Another hand. All right. So now we do add other stuff on, but I'm gonna go and just install these first. One and two. Oh man. There's that and that. All right. So here, this guy right here actually goes here in the back. It's kind of a nice touch. All right. One here. Put the other one over here. They're sort of like his tentacle things. So that's cool. Here, we've got two smaller ones. Just go. Where do those guys go? Right there. All right. Just have them like bending out. Check. There's that. There. Is he in there? Yeah, it's in there. All right, there's that. The same thing on this side. All right. There. All right. There we go. Like almost like little horns coming out. All right, I do like that. Do you like that? Well, I did catch something. The black things are supposed to go on top of that. Oh man. All right. Oops. All right, so we've got to take this off real quick without ripping it apart. All right, so let's put this guy back in. Thought I caught that. I was like, but I have extra pieces over there. I'm like, oh. Do that one. And these round guys. This. Snap on there. Like so. And you can put his tentacle back in. That looks better actually, because it's black on black. Boom. And put this guy back on. All right. All right. It does look better. See? All right, let me fix this other side real quick. Plus, that's loose. You can feel it. It's kind of loose in there. So, all this guy off. Pull this guy back out. Pop him back in. Like so. Now take this guy. Put this guy in like so. Boom. Alright. Now we put the tentacle in. Curve it out. Check. Like so. Put this guy back. Alright, so we're back on track. Boom. Look at that. Mech suit. Alright. And of course, it's giving me the instructions for the other hand, other arm, which we did already. So, and now it's saying I can hook the web up. Really? How's that work? So here, under here, huh? Where does that work at? Here? Oh, in the back. Oh, I get it. Okay. All right. So the back of them, you can hook this web to it. All right, like so. It's almost like a tail. All right. Okay, it's different. That's different. So, oh, okay. You put Miles Morales hanging on it. Flip it up or whatever. There's Miles Morales grabbing it. Yeah, actually, let's do that. Maybe. Oh. Just want to flip. There we go. Got Miles Morales hanging on. Yeah. That's cool, guys. And of course, you open this guy up. There's a Venom in there. Close that up. There you go. So for his arms, I guess you gotta put his arms all the way down. Keep his hands out. Miles Morales making all kinds of noise. All right, so we got Venom. I guess keep his hands up real quick. Yeah, there we go. Boom. Now it's closing now. We got Venom in there. Got his moving claws. That's actually cool. I like that. There's a War Machine I'm thinking about getting next too, actually. But yeah, that's cool. You got Miles Morales just hanging on to dear life. Ah! So yeah, overall, guys, this is actually kind of a fun project. And here's some of my extra stuff here, extra webbing, and a few extra little pieces. Hey, guys, hope you guys enjoyed that. That was, like I said, 76276 right there. Venom versus Spidey. Miles Morales. So another version of Spider-Man. All right, guys. Till next time, please. Till next time.